Hey everybody, Wyoming James checking in from the Urban Micro Farm. Well, it is lucky day 13. Day 13 here at the micro farm, and we've got today's the day we're going to take the birds out there and get them in those chicken tractors. They're finally big enough. We feel like it's time to make that happen. So what I'm doing today, right here this morning, is I'm going to turn these orange 5-gallon buckets into our watering system for the three chicken tractors. And what we're doing is we're using these things. They're drinking nipples is what they are. Look just like that. And then basically what happens there is these screw into the bottom of the bucket, and those birds will move this around, and it'll let water out a drip at a time. And through my research, I'm told that this is the most natural way for them to drink. Apparently before they were domesticated, they used to drink off the leaves and the drops that would come off the leaves. So this is supposed to be the most natural way for them to drink. So we're going to give that a spin. So I'm going to knock out a couple of these buckets, kind of show you what we're doing there, and then you'll get to see them in action here a little later today. All right, lucky day 13. We are en route. Is it en route or en route?
Route.
Is it route? I think it's en route. It seems like a French word. I'm gonna say it a little more freely. En route. Okay, so we're en route to the pasture. We've opted to leave the cobalt blue panty dropper at home in lieu of these more plush accommodations for the baby birds. As you can see, we have the birds loaded up back there in the Powder River Mandarin family truckster, and we are on our way out there. We have to make one quick stop, and we got to pick up Grandma Marianne. She's gonna go out with us today and do the chicken release with us. So we're on our way to pick her up and then out to the pasture. Normally Powder River Mandarin would sit right there, but because she's in full-on mother hen mode, she's opted to ride in the middle seat so that she can keep an eye on those babies of hers. So
because of his driving.
My driving's not that bad. I'm an amazing driver. So here we go. We're headed that way, so we'll check in with you once we hit the pasture. Okay, so we've got this lady picked up. Doesn't she look amazing? 29 years old in about a month. A little more than a month. A little more than a month. September 19th. September 19th, she'll be 30. What an amazing woman right there. She helps us out so much. And yet, she just got out of the hospital. But she's still good enough at backseat driving like she never went in. So anyway, so we've got Grandma picked up, and we are headed west out to the pasture. So we're on our way. Say hello to everybody, Grandma Marianne.
Hi, everybody.
Wyoming James, Powder River Mandarin, Grandma Marianne checking in again.
Are we getting a box full of chicken, or what are we doing?
Yeah, go ahead if you want.
Not only about quarter to half full.
Just run that through that whole trough in there.
Okay, so we made it out to the pasture here, and these three strapping lads showed up to help us out. We got Rooster in there filling the feed trough, We had Mason here, he filled the water. Then we've got Dawson bringing in the brooders, so we'll bring them in here and divide them up. So here we go. Are they pretty even?
Yeah.
I'll close that door.
One bin per thing.
You can come in. Here we go. Those are a little tall. Can me help? Sure. Just grab them underneath.
Show them where the feed is too.
Oh,
Go ahead. Go ahead.
that's nice. That's good. Sweet. Yep, they're getting it.
This one might be just a little bit hot.
All right, hey everybody, Wyoming James checking in again with our girlfriend Powder River Mandarin. So all the birds that we're bringing out to the pasture are in the chicken tractors. Mandy, lovingly, as you probably saw, lovingly made sure that each and every single one of these birds made it to put his little lips up to the water and learn how to drink from these waters. And if you can zoom in there, you'll see that those birds have figured out exactly how to drink out of these waters. So that's it. We're gonna leave them alone out here. We're gonna let them settle in and do their thing. We will come back this afternoon to check on them, not by my choice, by her choice.
I have to work, but he's going to.
And Grandma's.
And Grandma won't let me just come out tomorrow morning. So we've dropped feed. We've got the water in here. They're as happy as chickens can be. So Wyoming James checking out until this afternoon. There you go, buddy. I got this one figured out.
They're just playing.
Hey everybody, Wyoming James checking back in. Well, it's the afternoon of day 13 and we're back out here. All the birds seem to be doing well. I do have one, I'm assuming it's a leaky nipple on that bucket there. We got back, it was empty. So these birds are really dry. Because our transfer pump, I have a 12-volt transfer pump that I'm wanting to put on this barrel. Because it didn't show up, I'm going back to my Mexican roots, and we're gonna try to transfer it with this hose here. So we'll see if that's genetic and see if we can get it going. So let's give her a try, shall we? What do you know about that?
Way to go, Pedro.
Look out, birds.
That's right there, Miggy.
First try.
Wouldn't have worked if you were stealing the car.
So normally I'm choking on gas right now, but didn't even have to put my mouth on it. That's a bonus. So I'm a siphon king. Hey everybody, Wyoming James checking back in with you. So it's the end of day 13. Everybody's tucked in for the evening. We've rolled down the sides to give them some more protection from the southwest wind that's coming in. We got a little bit of a storm brewing on the southwest horizon here. So we're giving them a little bit of protection. We've filled all the buckets, and I've got a little anxiety about leaving them here, but it's all we can do is just leave them overnight. Hopefully they've got enough protection. Hopefully they're going to stay warm enough. It's a weird thing, but we have to do it. We have to kind of let them leave the nest, so to speak. So until tomorrow, Wyoming James checking in.